I mean, I wonder why some people have preferences for bigger drones. Sometimes a smaller drone, a light and compact drone, does a fantastic job. I mean, the thing is, with bigger drones, you draw more attention to yourself, and you just don't need that attention sometimes. I mean, look at a drone like this, Air 3S. Look at how massive this drone is. It's very big. Compare that to this. I mean, just look at the difference between both. This is way bigger than this. And one of the things I love about this drone is the fact that this drone is very compact. Now, this is the DJI NEO drone. It's very light and compact. It weighs 135 grams. Now, let me show you guys some of the features on this drone right here. Now, on top here, you have 6 modes that you can pick from. You have the follow mode, the droney, circle, rocket, spotlight, and custom. In terms of the build, you can see the propellers right here. They're well guarded, front and back, top and bottom. Now, battery is very simple. I mean, this is all there is to the battery. It does not have a slot for a memory card. In terms of the drone itself, you can see that the gimbal only goes up and down. And in terms of sensors, you can actually see it just has sensors here. So it doesn't have sensors at the back. Now, in terms of storage, it stores 22 gig, meaning you can shoot for 40 minutes shooting in 4K. 40 minutes shooting in 4K. I think that's relatively good enough for anybody who wants to, use a light drone. Now, here's what we're gonna do. Let's put it to test. Let's see just how well this thing functions. Now, I've put it up. Now, next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give it some space just so that, it doesn't fly into my face. So here we go. There you go. See? Now you notice that the drone, anywhere I look, the drone looks likewise. Now, because I don't have so much room in here, I really can't go so far, but it's really that simple. Notice I'm not using any mobile phone. There's no app whatsoever. It's flying by itself. Bringing it down is also very simple. All you need to do is place your hands underneath and it comes down. I mean, that's how simple this drone works. So to be honest, I see no reason why I wouldn't prefer a light drone to something this massive. Now, in terms of price, the DJI NEO goes for 325,000 Naira. You get yourself the drone, you get yourself the battery, and you get yourself a cable for charging the drone itself. And that's basically everything about this drone. It's so light. It's very light. I'm not kidding. It's very, very light. I think it's going to be one of the drones I'm going to be using pretty often because sometimes I shoot B-rolls. Question is, who is this thing for? It's good for content creators and anyone who just wants to film without having a second hand with them. So that's it about the DJI NEO.